Good afternoon, DJ. It is still Monday, March 30th. The time is currently 1:22 p.m. PM session. We're about to kick off. Let's go. Just arrived at my desk at 1:22. As always, my weekly target is 5%. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay aside from this tiredness I got going on. I'm all right. I'm hanging on in there. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the battle. News, no news of note to mention today, but it's NFP Monday, so we're able to trade without needing to have news. So, yeah. Weekly program going to this week is a sell program. Nothing's really happened in price to change it up for us here. Dollar's finally taken his buy side there, respected his discount already, took buy side. Next draw liquidity is buy side here, and terminus for me on dollar is up here into this monthly inefficiency. T-bonds retracing into its premium array, about to take buy side. I don't know if it took it yet. High 1326, high 13. No, it hasn't taken it yet. So this is draw for me going into this week, potentially to come up here, but it depends on how price behaves in here. But as far as my current understanding of price action goes, nothing's really happened to change my weekly program. So we're electing to stick with the weekly program. What's up, Dai?
What's popping, eh?
How you doing? How you doing?
Oh, I'm fucking tired, man.
Yeah, I feel that. Trust me. I feel that.
Exhausted.
Yeah, mentally and physically, bro. It's a lot. It's a lot
Yeah, nah. Long ass weekend.
for sure. How's your back testing session though?
It was good. So something that I noticed is um for since I'm trading on the higher time frame, like there's consistent setups
Mhm.
and but maybe it's like outside of like my usual trading time, like from 9:30 to like 11.
Mhm.
Like I am seeing setups on Asian session and I'm seeing setups on London. And like the key to look for in those sessions really is like the previous day high or low get taken. And like nine times out of ten, like once one of those is taken,
Yeah.
um price price does respect like the first next order block, if that makes sense. Like on the higher time frame.
Once a law is taken, it respects, let's say, the like a continuation of 1 hour order block. You're saying.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I get you. All right.
Yeah, so I'm looking at that, and then if that's not taken like by the time like it's nine, like if there's no real setup, then dealing range like looks like it's much more probable on like the 1 hour and the 30 minute
Mm-hmm.
using those time frames.
Right, right, right. For daily range,
Yeah,
but for the daily, more like 1 hour, 4 hour.
yeah. That's that's what I came across during my backtesting session, so just gonna look at it during the week.
Yeah. Let's see how it plays forward.
Yeah, what about you?
For me, actually. I got a lot from my session last night. Took some notes. Hold on. Where's the notes thing on here? My brain is fried. I swear to God.
Maybe like
I just really got down like a checklist for like things that I want to see before entering either retracement setup or continuation setup.
yeah,
Um, Pretty much I'm trying to like only use a 1 minute when I'm ready to enter the market and really much focus on the 50 minute and the daily. I want to get back on just focusing on my intermediate time frame, which is the 15 minute. Just following price action on that to obviously let me know potentially okay where the reversal or the continuation can come from, and just going on the 1 minute literally just for entry. And I'll be managing my retracement setup on the 1 minute, but for continuation setup, I'm gonna manage it on the 15 minute.
okay.
So that's a few things that I noticed that like really like gave me high precision setups when I went back through last week. So I'm excited to see how it goes through this week. I also
Yeah.
avoided a lot of L's following this than I would have. from last week. So
That's good.
yeah, let's
That's
see.
what we want.
Yeah, 1% better. So we asked for.
All we want. All we asking for. I agree. I agree.
Morning session didn't give me a continuation that I would have felt comfortable to take in, but I've seen something here for lunch, 11:50 macro, that gave me a continuation sell.
Yeah.
I like
Actually,
I like it.
let me take out my other laptop. I was back testing on here. So,
Mhm.
I'm like trying to ice my foot right now. I'm trying to like
Yeah.
teach
So
them.
what? So what? The girl stepped on your toe?
Yes, bro.
Oh, yikes.
When I say like I guess like like when you get stepped on, like you just kind of go through the motions.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
I
yeah.
want to say like there was 5 minutes left in the first half, and like I was running and I was like, yo, like my toe is killing me bad.
Mhm.
And I'm like, nah, I feel like this shit just like it's about to fall off. So I get off. I'm like, I tell my friend, I'm like, yo, get on the field. And she's just like, what? And I'm like, get on the fucking field. Like I'm
Hey,
coming.
I need to come off this bitch right now.
I get off and I go sit down and Sana's like, "Are you okay?" And I'm just like, "No, I feel like my fucking toenail is like off my toe." And she's
Mhm.
just like, "Oh, like take off your sock, take off like the whole nine." So I take off my sock, I take off my cleat, I take off my sock, and all you see is like my nail is broken
Oh, yeah, yeah.
and the upper half is like bloody, like
Uh-huh.
but not bloody like on the exterior, only on the
On
interior.
the inside. Oh, that's how I know she got you good.
And then, but like it made like a straight line of a cut, which is crazy. Cause it's literally like how like you have like your nail is like this, like
Yeah.
that little white part right here.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
So right above the white part of like my toenail, it's like
Yeah.
a clean cut across, and then
Straight.
just this half, yes,
Oh,
straight.
wow.
But it's not even fully broken. Like, so I was looking at it this morning, and from the right side here to like maybe like just the tip of the left side of my
Yeah.
toenail,
Yeah.
this it's sliced, but it's not cut all the way through.
Right, right, right.
This
So is
side
the,
is
is the
sliced.
toenail still intact?
My toenail is still on my foot, yes.
Oh, okay. All
My
right.
toenail is still on my foot. It is still here, Alice.
All right, good.
But it's like it was bleeding a little bit out here, but none of this, like you could see that it's full of blood, but it's
Yeah,
not
yeah.
it's
It's
not
on the
swollen.
inside.
Yeah, it's on the inside. It's not swollen and it's not leaking out because the cut isn't all the way through. Like it
Right.
didn't go all the way into my nail bed. So what I'm hoping for is it can like I was reading up on it and as long as like the root of my nail is like intact,
Uh-huh.
I should my like it should grow back normally.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
But the other thing that I realized was the edges, like this side and like the other side of my toe, and even the top is like still attached to my toe.
Right, 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 right.
So everything is still attached except for the inside. Like there's a line on the inside where you could see that there's no blood there. It's still like the color of my regular nail.
Uh-huh.
So it's still attached there. There's just like little pockets on the like up here and in here where there's blood. So I'm like, damn, like I really just have to, this is gonna be a waiting game. Like
Right, right, right. See what happens.
it's gonna be like 4 months till like it grows back normally.
Damn.
So
Damn. All
and
for the love of the
no
game.
shoes either.
Well, you can't wear shoes?
It hurts.
Oh, really?
It hurts when I wear shoes, like especially because like when I'm coaching, I'm wearing like, like soccer shoes and like they're just tight. Like last night I was barefoot all night. This morning barefoot. I put on like the loosest socks that I have.
Yeah.
I go to work in a little bit. Like I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. That bitch got me good. She clipped me. And I was playing decent.
Damn. That's tough. You're gonna have to be in at practice with like slides on or some shit.
I'm literally putting on one Croc and one shoe. I'm telling the girls, I'm gonna be like, so I got stepped on and like my toe is swollen. So I'm wearing a Croc because if I put on any of my shoes, my foot hurts.
Right, right.
I think that's fair.
No, that's 100% fair. Nobody can say shit.
No, not at all. I was thinking about wearing slides, but eh, is what it is.
Madness, madness, madness.
Literally. How was your weekend? How did it go?
Oh, it was long as hell. Oh my God. It's Sunday. So one of the guys that was with my in my crew, he was like he wasn't feeling well, I guess. He had hip back pains or whatever, whatever. So he gave me his center. He said he didn't want to take it. And then he gave me his other line. He's like, "Oh, Alice, I can't do it. Do you mind?" I'm like, I'm already here. Let's get some extra money. It doesn't really matter. I'll do it. I'll sacrifice. But like, oh, I'm feeling it, boy. So I did two centers, two lines on Sunday, and that shit was just a drag, bro. It was a drag. It was a drag. But I felt good though. I felt good. It wasn't like I was tired in the moment. In the moment, I was like, yeah, I could keep going. Give me some more games. It's the after effect. I'm like my legs are like, yeah, you couldn't do that shit. Why the fuck did you put yourself through that shit?
No, literally no.
But no, it was a good weekend. Passed the assessment. Last time I'll be traveling for the remainder of the year. Don't tell me about nothing. I ain't doing it. I'm not going. I don't care.
Where
Uh,
was this one? In Tampa?
yeah, Tampa, 4 hour drive, bro. Bro,
Nah, I
she
don't
was
know.
long. She was long.
That's just OD though.
Yeah, for real.
I
Well,
mean,
it was all right. It was a decent weekend. Wasn't the best, but it was all right.
at least you got your monies out of it.
Yeah, yeah, I did, and I got my assessment out of it. That's pretty much why I went. So,
That's good though, as long as you got that shit done.
yeah.
Better than me, freaking yesterday I was in church in the morning, and then like walking out of church, I get a call from my team admin. She's in Florida right now.
Yeah.
She was in Florida and she was like, "Oh, did you see that the everybody changed their RSVP last minute? Like now we only have 10 girls to play right the game at 12 o'clock and it's like 11:15." I'm like, "No way." So I go to check. I literally had 10 girls showing up
Wow. To play 11v11. So you played a man down?
the entire game, bro. And I was getting mad because I was like, bro, I'm missing three pretty solid players.
Yeah.
and and I also don't have a goalie, so right there I'm at a disadvantage. And then I have
Yeah.
three solid players. Like, yeah, no. So we ended up losing like 5-0,
Damn.
but and I was tight. And then Saturday, the little ones, it's just little. Like I can't even.
Said they're just little.
They're just little. Like I had girls hustling,
Yeah.
and they were just getting beat because of size.
Right,
Like
right, 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 right.
can't really do too much in that aspect.
Yeah.
Uh, And then my team that went away to Jersey without me, I got a bunch of text messages from their parents, and the
Oh,
and
shit.
and this morning I was asked to have conversations. Like I had like three calls already, and they
What's going
said
on there?
they were all like, the girls really missed you this weekend, like bad.
Uh.
They didn't like the coach that they had.
And it's a coach in the club, yeah?
Yeah. And apparently, well, and it's this coach that like he me and him are the same age. I'm just like a little bit older, but he he trained he was like he quote unquote went professional, but like he didn't ever really make it. Like he never played a professional game. He only ever
Yeah.
trained with the professionals and then they cut him.
Uh-huh.
Um and he has a tendency of only like he's only attracted to players that know how to play the game. Like
Right, 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 right. He's
in
not trying to
terms,
develop.
yeah, like not develop from little. Like
Right,
he
right, right, right.
he wants the kids that are already really good, you know? And so he has the A team to my B team, and like he does see himself as like a higher level of authority.
Hmm.
in whatever capacity, which like I knew that it was going to be a problem this weekend because like the girls, some of them don't really like him too much.
Hmm.
Um, and I guess his coaching style is just very like I guess you could say aggressive,
Yeah.
but he changed their positions. Like there was it was like it was difficult. But also granted, he didn't have like his some starters either. He was missing like three or four starters
From his team.
from my team.
Oh, from your team?
They didn't go. One had a basketball tournament, the other one was celebrating Palm Sunday, and I think there was one more that was like doing one more. She injured her fucking foot. So it was just overall like not the greatest, but parents were just calling me upset and shit. And I was like, listen, like, it's a long season.
Yeah.
They gotta
Yeah.
just get through it. I'm gonna watch the video and see like how everything went and like what were the conversations that were had and shit. But I'm waiting for that to get uploaded.
Yeah.
Can't do anything.
Yeah. 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 So
Yeah.
they went up there play just to play the one game?
No, they went to go play 3 games and they lost all three.
Oh shit. Damn.
Yup.
Damn. Tough weekend, man.
Tough weekend. Better than my boss though. He got demolished. Like he
Oh
got,
yeah?
I think like 7-0 all across the board.
Mm.
But granted, his girls were playing a year up.
Oh yeah, they are?
So can't be
Uh,
too freaking
at
upset.
least they'll be ready for their own age group at least, right?
Nah, they're ballers. Like for their own age group, they kill everybody. But
Yeah.
what the fucking matters if you do that?
God damn. How's this morning for you then? Chart wise.
Chart wise, I mean, I didn't take no trades, but I saw those clean setups. Like, and that's where last week I saw it too. Like the every time that previous day low or previous day high gets taken, I
Mhm.
feel as though my setups are much cleaner
At 9:30?
if it is at 9:30. If it's
Yeah.
not at 9:30, like I'll be on the charts throughout the day, like looking. And
Yeah.
if I see that, like let's say at 9 p.m. Previous day high got taken right now, like and I see that there's like an order block nearby or like a breaker on the 4 or the 1 hour, like I'm intrigued at what price is gonna do. And having back tested it, like
Yeah.
the first encounter that price has back at that order block, it usually is a clean entry to continue or to, like if it breaks it, it gives a clean retracement, for the continuation
Yeah.
for it to become a breaker.
Right.
So that's what I was like looking for. But those two setups that I sent you were pretty clean.
The second one, it gave you all three take profits
Let me check. I have it on my phone.
of the 4 hour.
Off the 4 hour, I think it depended on where I took it.
Mm.
Oh, I didn't. Damn it. Where's So we have a verdict. Wait.
Oh, you guys made a decision? Oh, you're smiling. So is it what I think it is? You look way too happy. When is it then? When is the day?
June.
June?
Yeah, like June. June, like what I told you, like around June 15th to some.
When you're done with the season? Okay. So,
We came to that realization. Like I was like flirting with the idea with her, and she was like, I don't
yeah.
want to hear it. But then she was like, okay, like if we're gonna get serious about it, like we need to get serious about it.
Hmm.
So I was like, okay, like I'm okay with leaving, and I told her exactly like why I was okay. Like I stayed with EST there. I gave them the 6 months. I gave them more than 6 months, like I told you. And I've grown a lot, but I realized that nothing they do, nothing that anybody could do here in New York will make me happy.
Right.
So ultimately, I'd rather just go.
Yeah.
And I'm okay with going now than I'm more okay now leaving than I was last year because I know I took the chance. I did what I did. We learned, we grew in our relationship. And like I just really realized like I'm just genuinely not happy in New York.
Right, right, right.
And what I do here, I could do it anywhere else.
Exactly.
So,
Well, that's good. So what's she gonna do then? What's her next moves?
so the next moves would be, I mean, we're both gonna leave at the same time.
Okay, okay.
We would both leave at the same time, I think. And I mean, as of right now, right? Because we have settled more, like both of us have settled more on that fact of like, yes, we will be um leaving.
Mm-hmm.
So there's that aspect. Um, but I mean, right now we're just gonna bang out these next 2 months. I'm
Yeah.
gonna tell my bosses probably in the middle of May, like, look, I don't even want you guys to put me in the plans for the fall because,
Right.
like I gave what you guys asked me to do a shot and I've been sitting on this thought for so long and I was hoping and trying to find reasons for it to change, but like I'm trying to find reasons for it to change. It's not just changing on its own. And that in itself tells me like I just am not going to be able to continue in New York. Like it's
Right.
not even about you guys, it's just New York. And there's
Right.
nothing that you can do unless you're gonna pick everything up and move to Florida.
Right, 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 right.
Yeah.
Nah, that's good. I'm happy that you guys finally obviously agreed on, what you're gonna do. Now it's just about minor things, right? So
Yup. Yup. Yup.
I know you're happy about that shit.
Hopefully, shoot. I hope she's happy too. Like, I really do hope she's happy. Where did I have? Oh, here. Yes. Yeah, no, I hope she's happy too. Like,
When you gonna let the girls know then?
probably, well, so two teams already know I'm not going to be their coach next season.
Okay, that's good. So just one left then. One
So
left.
it's just the one. Yeah, I just have to tell the one that I'm not going to be the trainer going forward. Um, and I mean, it's unfortunate though, because one team, like the 12s, my better 12 team, they're the team that had like went through what they went through this weekend, and the
Yeah,
parents are like, "Can we like just request like another year?" And I'm just like, "I'm not sure." Like usually it's just 2 years that we get with teams and blah 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 blah. So like that's just a conversation if you guys would like to have it. Like I'm not gonna try to like tell people or let people know just yet because
yeah.
it's not fully solidified.
Right, right.
But like I also don't want to try to give people false hope of like, oh yeah, like you definitely can and like I
Yeah,
will.
count on me for next year. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, I hear that. I hear that.
So, like I'm just trying to be a little bit more smart with the way that I'm handling things around here.
Yeah,
So
I
I guess
feel that.
we're gonna see
I feel that. I feel that.
happening.
So did you ask her if she's happy then with the decision?
Give me a second.
No worries, go ahead. Oh, seeing nothing. It'll have to be this low.
Oh my God.
You all right?
Why my boss call me and tell me that he put on a show for a team that I've been working to get coming to EST before all of this shit that we just talked about? I was working to get that whole team to come over.
Yeah,
They were at the same hotel this weekend in New Jersey, and he put on a clinic like with the girls, like his
yeah,
girls, showing those parents what they could have coming with us.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
And he calls me and he tells me one of the moms came up to him after and was just like, "You're so good with these kids," like blah 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 blah. And then what was like my boss was like, "You like you're at Susa, right?" Because like she was wearing. And she was just like, I mean, yeah, she was like, at Susa, we don't get that. And he was just like, yeah, because you get all the name, you get all the leagues, you get all this guts and glamour, but like you don't actually have genuine coaches who care for the kids. Like, and he
Right,
even said, he was like, my daughter plays for Susa, but she started at Susa when they had different coaches who genuinely cared about the kids. Now she's just been there for so long, there's no reason for me to take her out,
right, right,
you
right,
know?
right.
But like, if something better came along, or like there was a great coach at her age, I would move her any day. And he
Right,
was
right.
just like, you need to find a coach that cares about the kids, is willing to develop them, and blah 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 blah. I was just like, I know your fucking ass did that shit. Like I was trying to sell it, and I was selling it low key, but you put on the show to sell it high, like in front of, because I haven't stood in front of these parents, but he had
Yeah,
the chance to stand in front of them and do that shit.
right, 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 right.
So he was just like, we need to try to get those girls here, and we will commit them to you. I was like, fuck.
Yeah, don't commit nobody to me, bro. I'm not even committing to you.
I was,
I ain't even committed to you, bro.
I was like, fuck.
Oh, mate, yikes.
And I was like,
Shit,
so
damn, that's tough. Uh, that's tough. Was the parents like on board to like transfer their girls then?
I like if I can convince one parent and we can offer them like like a tryout, or like just I mean, regardless of anything, like if one parent is willing to potentially do it, then they would come over.
Right, right, right.
But the problem is I don't want to live in New York.
Right, 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 right. Yeah. Ooh, wee. Yikes. That just makes the whole situation even worse, doesn't it? Like it just doesn't help the situation at all.
In zero capacity. In
Oh, mate, we were just
zero.
coming to terms with our decisions, and now they're trying to throw some curveballs at you.
Good thing I played baseball.
Get it out the park, nigga.
Bro, it is fucking hell.
Decision.
Fucking hell.
Well, nothing's set in stone with any of them yet, so it's still a wait and see type shit.
Yeah, literally. That trade that you asked me about, the 10 a.m. one, it did give precisely 100 points before reversing up.
Did it go over or was it right at 100?
It went slightly over.
Oh, okay. But then it would have took you out, so that's good.
Yeah, wait, hold on. Yeah, the entry was 23,367
Mhm.
at 10 a.m., let's say, and it dropped all the way to 23,662.
Mm.
So yeah, it would have definitely taken me out.
Good.
Yeah,
That would be morning, the whole day done right there.
literally. But then if I would have kept it in, or like let's say if I got because realistically though, if I did get in on a macro time frame, because I would have actually had to have gotten in at like 10:10 on the dot.
Mhm.
Not even like 10:10, the best entry I could have gotten, it still would have given me 100 points. Yeah, but that would have
Yeah.
been right there. Yeah, so I mean, it gave what it had to give. It did what it did. And on the higher time frame, it confirmed bearishness on the 1 hour with the candlestick pattern.
What's the candlestick pattern?
The opposite of a morning star.
I have no idea what the fuck a morning star is to know what the opposite of a morning star is supposed to be.
Evening star.
Is the opposite of a morning star?
So if you look at it on the 1 hour,
Yeah.
you got the 1 hour up there.
Yeah, I'm looking at it on here.
So you see how that 10 a.m. candle was bullish,
10, 10, 10. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
the 1 hour, and then that 11 a.m. candle closed doji,
Uh-huh.
and then the 12 p.m. candle went bearish and it surpassed the close of the bullish candle.
Uh-huh.
That's technically a bearish reversal like pattern
Okay.
to confirm like that price is going to continue or
Lower.
it's going to reverse. So that for me would have been like a good indication of like, okay, maybe there's potential for even another sell afterwards
Right, right.
to continue going lower. So like right now, but there's really nothing on the 4 hour, there's nothing. On the 1 hour, I don't see an entry for myself at least.
Right, right, right. For you.
Yeah. The 30 minute, I mean, I don't trade the 30, so I'm not gonna sit here and say yeah, but there was one entry at 12:30, but that's lunch. We don't trade that.
Yeah, definitely not.
Ugh.
Ready to jump back in bed, boy. What? Sleep good and early tonight.
Oh man, oh man. So, uh, what were we talking about before all of that?
The move. If Sav was happy, I think.
Oh yeah, she's definitely happy. I feel like we're definitely looking forward to it. Um, it would be the best, honestly. But we're gonna have to see, man.
Now there's twists and turns up in here.
It is not getting easier though, bro. Like, and that's the part that kills me. Like, I mean, I always ask God for like,
Guidance.
guidance and opportunities and options.
Which you do have. Too many options, that's the problem now.
It's a good problem to have.
Yeah, definitely a good problem to have. Definitely.
Better than, Sav,
No
who doesn't have
options,
really
yeah.
many options. I have a lot of options
Yeah. Yeah.
there,
A
because at the end of the day, it affects her.
100%.
But something I was thinking about, like, I know buying challenges and trying to pass and all this shit is like it messes with people's psychology, right?
Mm-hmm.
But partially, I feel like whenever I just paper trade,
Mm-hmm.
like, or like I'm paper trading for a long period, like I feel like it's not as realistic as like when I'm in the markets or like when I'm on like a funded account. And it's not even like when I trade my Top Step account, like if I lose, like it is what it is, like and like I know what that feeling feels like. But when I just take trades on like paper, like it doesn't do the same thing that it does when I trade a funded, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, I get you. What's different?
Like I feel like when I'm paper trading, I'm just too passive about it.
Mm-hmm.
Like in a sense of just like I feel like I slightly fall off a bit because I'm like,
Hmm.
like it's just paper.
Right.
What's up, kid?
Yo. Yo.
What's up, Nelson?
Much just came back from school.
How was school?
It was good.
What'd you learn today?
Nothing. So my teachers were out.
Oh,
Teachers were out,
Yep. Most of them were.
so you guys ain't do nothing?
Nah, we either just did some homework that we had to do, some labs, stuff like that.
Wow, this is education system, yeah?
Yeah, no.
Ay, 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 yikes. Yikes.
yeah.
Why the teachers didn't show up?
I don't know. Either they were sick or just did not want to come in, which I don't blame them.
Oh wow, oh wow, they just didn't show up. They're probably not getting paid enough. They said, forget this shit.
Well, I mean, they're teachers. They're not getting paid enough either way.
Yeah, that's facts. You ain't lie there. You ain't lie. But for them not to show, wait, all of your teachers didn't show up?
No, my first period teacher showed up. My fourth period teacher showed up. I think my second period teacher showed up too, yeah, and then all the rest just did not show up.
So what happens when they don't show up? You just have a free period?
Either we have a free period or we just do whatever we need to do, like maybe homework.
Oh, in the classroom, though, you still stay in the classroom?
Yeah, we have to stay in the classroom.
Oh, I guess, child. I guess.
Yeah,
That's
no,
that's
it was
mad. What was that?
it was chill. I didn't do much. I'm already caught up with most of my stuff, so
Yeah, so you were just chilling all day, yeah?
yeah.
Be like that. That's good. That's good. That is good. As long as you had a good day, that's all that matters.
Yes, sir. Yeah, you need a haircut, bro.
Well, when you propose, I get a haircut.
I might have time today
Dang.
because you're looking scruffy.
You do it on
Mm.
I don't really have time any other day this week, so it's gonna be today or never.
Saturday?
Saturday, I don't have time.
Damn, what the hell? I don't want to get it today either.
You don't want to look fly for the rest of the school week?
There barely is a school week.
When are you done with school?
Wednesday?
Oh, you don't go to school on Wednesday?
Well, I go to school on Wednesday, but then after that, there's nothing left. And then we just don't have school for the entire week after. And
Because
then,
of spring break.
huh?
Because of spring break.
It's spring break. I literally don't go back to school until Tuesday of the week after.
I mean, you really just need a cleanup. It's not a haircut. Like mostly just a lineup. Probably take like less than 30 minutes.
Hopefully. But yeah, no, I don't go back until what, the 14th?
Okay.
My guy's chilling.
Yes, sir.
Chilling, chilling.
How's my
You
guy Glenn?
telling me better enjoy these days because it only gets harder and harder.
Oh man.
Wee. Oof. Mm-mm. It's-
Whoop 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 whoop.
What are you happy about over there?
I might be able to just cut my practice.
What, today?
Yeah.
Hmm? Cut the whole thing or cut it short?
Cut
Hmm?
it cut cut it short, sorry.
Oh. Wait. You were saying something about funded accounts.
Funded accounts, yes. Hold on. Two, all right, let's see. Um,
Yeah, no, you were saying that when you trade paper trading, you're more passive than when you're doing the funded accounts.
yeah,
You
like I don't
don't
know, I just don't feel the same thing.
like what you in terms of your
It's
risk tolerance or caring for the trade, the outcome of the trade, or just
caring
like
for the trade or the outcome of the trade.
right when it's paper trading, you don't care for it.
No.
But
But but this is the thing too, like when it's like in a funded, like it's not that I care if I won or I lost, like I just like to see my strategy play out or not play out is like what I like when I paper trade, it's just like, all right, I walk away.
right, don't feel no type of way about the trade.
Yeah.
I mean, which is really what you're supposed to feel about a trade, right?
Yeah.
For me, I feel like initially to start off with, it's best to get comfortable with with your strategy or your process or your model with paper trading where there's no like outcome. You don't really care about the outcome. It's really focusing on the process and the model if it's gonna pan out or not pan out. Get the data with paper trading, and then once you're like it's just like every other day the same process, you're doing the same thing over and over and over again, then you move on to like funded accounts where you have no, you already went from paper trading where you don't really care. It's just you're doing it now with potential to make money, right? It's just the same thing, different day. But I understand how you feel. Majority of people feel like when it comes to paper trading, Tash and my brother were the same thing. They were like eager to get into like funded trading. They didn't really see the point of like demo trading or paper trading because they want to be in the market and feel how they're gonna feel when they feel it. But I mean, it is what it is. I think for me personally, I think it's best to demo trade for at least 3 months, be comfortable with what you're looking for, the processes, see if you can actually follow a system for at least 2 to 3 months of doing the same thing. And then once it becomes like your normal, then obviously when you go into funded accounts, you have like data to back it up. You know what you're looking for. You've been doing this for a while. It's nothing new. Now it's just you have a potential to make money out of it, right? So
Yeah.
yeah, that's just my 2 cents. But I get what you mean. I get what you mean. I felt like that too. But like learn not learning and growing through the funded for me it psychologically messed me up, even though I thought yeah it wouldn't fuck me up like, or like I'll be fine, I'm fine, but I wasn't because I was still finding myself right while I was paying for these funded accounts and taking trades. I was still like there's more emotions attached to it than anything because I know there's a potential there to make money. It was only when I really like removed myself from that situation and started demo trading and just focusing on my processes on the market, on the charts. That's now I feel like I'm just like, you know, robotic. Like I don't really care. I can go into a funded account tomorrow and I know what I'm doing, I know what I'm looking for. It's gonna be the same shit, just a different day.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was my journey anyway. Everybody's journey is different.
I feel like I was like that originally, and then once I got into the funded, like I was I mean, also I can't speak too much because I was on a funded when I pieced together more of my trading setup, like my
Yeah,
system.
yeah.
Also, maybe giving it more time on the paper trade could be good, but we'll see. I just realized that though. That was something I realized, so I figured I'd bring it up.
Yeah, no, that's good. It's good to talk about those things. But for me, for sure, 100%. If you go back into DJ and watch, it wasn't until like I was like, you know what, I'm washing my hands off funded. I'm just gonna go back to paper trading, demo trading. That's when like everything started to like click, click, click. Because I was just like, I don't care about the outcome. I don't care about anything. I'm not making money either way. It doesn't fucking matter. Right now, it's about the skill and getting closer to price action and just following a system or procedure each day out, and seeing how consistent I can be and how disciplined I can be in following the procedure, regardless of if I take multiple losses or if I take multiple wins. How am I gonna feel, right? What am I gonna do next? And I've seen a 100% difference. So I will recommend that to anybody and everybody, right? If they ask me, I would recommend paper trading first, getting comfortable, finding a model, finding a process, and then once it becomes boring and you know what you're doing the same thing, you can prove to yourself that you can be consistent and not consistently break rules, then you just transfer that onto a funded or a live trading and you're is different day, just the same shit.
Yeah. Yep, yep. Mhm. Part of the process.
Yeah, yeah, that is definitely 100% part of the process.
Oh, the motherfucking process.
Yeah.
Damn, do I really want to cut this kid's hair? Oh man, oh man.
Checked my email all weekend. Golly. Ooh-wee. Crampy, crampy.
I'm asking ChatGPT to curate a message right now
Oh, yeah? For who?
for one of my teams.
We love chat.
Nelson, Dad wants you to build this thing that's in the foyer, in the kitchen, dining room, whatever the fuck. Yeah, he wants you to build that shit. Like today.
Today?
Like right now type thing, because he wants you to work when he gets home.
I get to work right now, my boy.
Where's the instruction manual?
On the chair over there.
Right.
Be nice to me all weekend. Why you want to start some shit right now?
Hey, chat did what it had to do.
Yeah.
I needed a message about them updating their availability.
Mhm.
And
Okay.
yeah, for all the time and for the next couple of days. And I said, moving forward, if we have only 8 girls attending training, the session will be shortened to 1 hour. And then I made chat also add, um, I completely understand that things come up and plans are made. I truly appreciate everyone's communication. That said, this is a team, and if we want to continue seeing results and development, we also need commitment and consistency from everyone. Regular attendance and timely availability updates help us create the best environment for the girls to improve and succeed together.
All right, chat.
Chat.
We see you, chat.
Let me see. Chat said, "Do you want to make it sound like a more authoritative head coach?"
Chat be always trying to keep the conversation going. I swear to God. Oh,
Yeah.
I can also do this and develop this into this. I'm like, shut up, man, enough. I ain't gonna talk to you all day, my guy, because he can keep you going. He, she, it.
Nah, that was a little too mean for me.
The authoritative one.
Yeah. At
Said
least the
that's
first one said hi parents. This one said parents.
this is what's happening. Parents, pay attention.
I would use it if I was trying to be a dick, but I'm not trying to be a dick. Hey, yeah, chat. You did the you did the homework. I'm just here to collect the A.
That's I was talking to some of the refs at the tournament.
Yeah.
Some of them one guy that's in uni right now, college, whatever. He said he hasn't written a paper since high school. Chat does everything for him. I'm
Well,
like, AI is just, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't
taking
know if
up.
it's gonna make us smarter or more dumber. More lazy for sure, 100%. Yeah. I'm more lazy. Because if chat writes something for you, are you really like learning, you know?
Exactly.
Well, hey, that's just the world we live in. Work smarter, not harder. It just makes school obsolete right now, to be honest, in my opinion.
You don't need school because you learn everything through YouTube and Netflix and
Yup.
that and
Yeah. Just going in debt for nothing. Unless you want to be a lawyer, a doctor. I ain't doing no games this weekend. No, ma'am. No, thank you. Doing it, not doing it. My cramp's trying to take me out right now. God damn. Oh,
Do I want to work a clinic next week?
do you?
If I do it, then I can't trade.
Well, on what day is it?
Monday through to Thursday.
You gonna make some good money?
That's the question.
If you are, I'll do it. Shit, trading ain't going nowhere. It's all right.
You're
Make
not wrong, Alice.
make that money, girl. Make that money.
This toe shit is
Yeah.
me, bro.
And then to lose on top of that, that's just like
Nah, bro, but we lost. You wanna know why we fucking lost? Because everybody on my team is so unfit.
they just show up and play.
Bro, Sav said she was just like on the bench on the sideline. Like we had like maybe like seven girls on the bench. She
Yeah.
was like on the sideline. Everybody was just like, what the fuck? Like Di's so fit. Like she's staying fit and like everybody didn't know that that's the first time I'm playing 11v11 since I got injured.
They
And then
didn't
they said
know.
it to me and they were just like, yo, Di, like you're mad fucking fit. Like what? Like how can you do all that running? And I'm just like, bro, you're talking to somebody who hasn't ran since surgery. Like, don't
Yeah.
tell me I'm fit. Thank
I
you.
appreciate it, but this is just the bottom of the bottom.
Everybody fucking else couldn't run. That shit was pissing me off. Yes.
With unlimited sub whatever.
Yeah.
Mm.
No, like, well, our coach, he would sub us, but like he wasn't trying to take me out the game at all. I took myself out. I was just like, nah, my fucking toe is killing me, dog.
Yeah, get me off this field. They took me out. They took me out.
They got me.
Mm.
There really wasn't anything for me on the higher time frame.
Nothing here on either for me, to be honest.
I'm looking at the lower time frame. Um, so obviously we're in a sell program. For me, because previous day low got taken
Hmm.
and dealing range got taken. If I was looking for sells and I were to do it on like a lower time frame, like just talking about it or analyzing charts, there was a 11:30 order book on the 30-minute. Excuse me. That price came back into during lunch. And then there was a little 30-minute order block at 12:30 that didn't necessarily get tapped into.
Hmm.
At 1:30. Let me see the 15, if the 15 is any cleaner. Not really. There's nothing else that I would be intrigued off of except for potentially there's a breaker from yesterday at 10:15 p.m. on the 15-minute.
10:15 p.m.
Yeah.
Looking at AM. 10:15. Oh yeah.
That's like a little breaker for me. I would say if there is a closure below it, this 145 candle would have made me a little bit nervous, so I probably would have waited till 2 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Um, right there, if you did even if you did a 1-to-1 with 50 points, you would have gotten your 50 points already. I would have gotten my 50 points. But aside from that, I don't really see anything.
Yeah, nothing really here for
But,
me either.
yeah. I like how people fucking texted me.
So question back to the funded and the paper trading. Do you feel any different when you take paper trading to when you take a funded trading in terms
Like
of gone?
like when I take paper trades, I just don't feel like I'm 100% locked in. And I think it's because of the money aspect of it. Like
Yeah,
I'm just like that's where like even like right now, like I'm not obviously on my funded account because I don't see anything. But
yeah,
like you see how like I went into the lower time frame, like I'm just looking like I'm just fucking around right now.
yeah. You're just trying to, yeah, because ain't shit going on.
Exactly. So, but that's like my mental like anytime, that like I feel like I'm paper trading.
Mm-hmm.
And like again, I can't say too much on the past because I didn't even have a setup. But in
Yeah,
the past, when I was just paper trading or I was looking to learn how to trade and whatever, like I felt like when I was like it's nothing compared to what it really feels like to be in the markets, like I win, I lose, it doesn't matter, right?
right,
But also I was coming from a time where I had no setup.
right.
So now that I have a setup and I have a system, like when I'm in the markets, like, like I will just be like, like flirting with Nas here and there or whatever, talking to it like, come on, let's go up.
Yeah,
Let's go
yeah,
up.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
But I
yeah.
do feel like I'm a little bit more precise with my funded trades than I am with my paper trades.
Precise in terms of what entries and exits.
Yeah. Like I'm definitely more like focused on where price is and not just trying to just get in. Like
Mm-hmm.
this morning, like I put my that trade, those two trades, like
Hmm.
I had that first trade off of the 1 hour, like that's all I wanted to see.
Yeah,
Was I actually gonna have taken it?
yeah,
Um on on the paper trade. It was 9:30. Yeah, like I just had it placed because I knew that that was an idea that I had.
yeah.
Would I actually take it? That's the separate part.
Right. And that's where for me, I think collecting data on just watching the price action, not even like engaging in it. Hey, I this is my setup. I see it here in the chart. Now let's watch it and see how it plays out, right? When you collect enough data, just watching your setup and the price do it as it's supposed to do, you build more confidence. And then once you start demoing and you go in and you're like, okay, all right, it's doing what it's supposed to do. How I'm gonna manage it. You already have a management style, right? So then it just makes the transition to live easier. Either way, you should feel the same whether you're trading a funded account, a demo, even funded account is still a demo trade and you just potential to make money, right? But for me, it should be the same regardless of what you're trading. You should feel the same about, hey, am I following my procedure and protocols? Am I following my system? Am I doing everything that I need to do? Then the outcome is out of my hands, right? Regardless whether you're gonna make money or not make money, you should feel the same about the trade. So work on getting to that point where whether you're taking paper trade or you're taking funded trade or live money trading, your emotional state or how you feel about the trade is still the same. If that makes sense.
We'll see
But yeah,
tomorrow.
obviously with funded, you're more like, precise because you're like, yeah, shit. I ain't trying to be in too much drawdown, I'm trying to pass this bitch.
Yeah, but I found myself like take when I'm taking my funded, like the funded, like if I lose, like I'm so quick to walk away as well sometimes.
Yeah.
Versus when I'm in paper, like I just keep wanting to find more.
Right. Because you're like, there's nothing bad. I'm not losing anything. I'm not risking anything. But to find more meaning, is that following your procedures and protocols, your system, when you're looking to find more?
I mean that's one of those things. It's like sometimes like with fund like when I'm on my funded, like I really only am looking for like I stick to my systems, I feel like.
Mm-hmm.
I do stick to my systems more because again, like you said, there's money on the line.
Yeah. Yeah.
Versus like when I'm on paper, I'm like, all right, let me just get in. Let me just
Right.
you know what I'm saying? Like
Let's see.
I
Let's just see what happens.
let's
Let's
just
just.
see what happens for funsies. Like you see the difference? So like I think that that's where, I kind of have like a power struggle in that
Yeah.
sense.
Yeah.
Um, because I mean for funded, like I haven't blown an account in a while.
Right.
I've just been teetering back and forth on the account that I'm on right now.
Right.
Um, so and they just gave me a new account to
They
reset.
give. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So like I'm like back where I was last month at this time where I told you I was like I reset my account. I'm like,
Yeah.
should I just fucking reset my account again and just start from point zero?
Yeah. But like for me, like honestly, when I stopped trading the funded accounts and just went straight demo paper trading, that's where the real growth happened for me.
I think that's good.
Yeah.
It's a good thing. I We're still on this journey. It's a journey. It's not a sprint for
Yeah.
me or
Yeah.
for anybody, But like I think for myself, being that where I was to where I am now, like I'm just like go back.
Mhm.
And it's not going back. Like it's not even going back. It's more of just like, okay, like you said, hone in.
Yeah.
Hone in on how you want to approach the markets, what you're looking for. Are you putting your best foot forward? So something to think about for me.
Yeah. For
I'm gonna have
sure.
that conversation with myself in the car on the way to practice.
Yeah. You should. Definitely.
So I got 5 no's and I got 7 yeses for practice tonight.
So it'll be cutting short then because it's less than 8.
As of right now, yep. Let me see if my other team. I think my other team is definitely going to be at practice because with the way that people was telling me they was
Yeah.
missing me this weekend, they all better be at practice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. I could potentially be getting a continuation sell here. Waiting for entry to be confirmed.
On the lower time frame, I would be taking it. I would have taken the entry already.
You would be in there already.
They're like swimwear.
Yep, confirmed. now. How does this work now? Because it's a different range. Let's do 1 minute.
So talk to me about lucid. What made you, what's making you consider lucid?
Well, you had mentioned them to me, right? And then the guy had mentioned it this weekend, saying that once you go lucid, you can't go back. Well, he was just hyping it up like is like they pay you in like 30 minutes or whatever. Like and the like payout rules aren't like, strict or anything like that. And I was reading on their website. I hold on. I like what they got going on, I guess.
Yeah.
You trade on trading view as well. 90/10 profit split, no window, no payout windows, one-time fee, no activation fee, a 50% consistency rule in the challenge, but once you get funded, there's no consistency rule.
So I have a question. What does that mean?
So what it basically means is that one trade cannot be like if depend with Lucid they have a 50%. So one winning trade cannot be more than 50% of the whole profit. So if the profit is 3K for a 50K account, you can't make 1,500 in one trade.
But if you do, you would have to trade more like
Right.
other like let's say my first day I get 15K. That means obviously I wouldn't be able to get a payout once I reach 3,000. Let's say my next three trades are like 500 a piece, right? Like I wouldn't be able to get paid out or like pass my challenge basically.
Right, exactly. You wouldn't have met the criteria, I guess, to pass the challenge. Yeah.
So theoretically, if I made 1,500 my first day, my first trade, and then I had six trades that were 500 each, then I would be able to pass.
Right. Yeah. Well, you said the next six trades were 500 each.
Yeah,
And all together gets you to what, 3K?
1,000. Yeah.
Nah, you still wouldn't pass because that one trade is over 1,500, if that makes any sense. You'd
But
have,
but you're
you would have to trade more to bring it down.
so what I would have to make more than 500?
Well, yeah, you know what? I don't even know how that would work. Because when Tash did it, when one trade went over the limit, they asked her to make 6K she had to make 6K instead of 3K. So she had to trade more to calm down the one trade that gave her like the over the consistency amount.
So I guess it's based on percentage then.
Yeah. It's based on
Okay. I get what
yeah,
you're saying. All
yeah.
right. I mean, regardless, I mean, right now I'm looking at it, I would get this 25K.
The 25?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because
What, the pro or the flex?
the flex.
Yeah.
Because what's the difference between pro?
I think the pro is more expensive and you don't have a consistency thing on the
On the
pro.
pro. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm seeing that right now. You don't have the consistency thing, and you can pass in as little as 1 day.
Yeah.
So one trade that you make can make you those. If you hit one trade of 1250, you pass.
Yeah. Yeah.
If I would have gone Lucid Flex 25K, I would have been funded at least with Lucid by now.
I said I would be in there.
Yeah, but the one thing I will say is this, like I've managed like risk management has definitely changed for me a lot. So I'm also looking to see what like I like what I have going on right now, But
Yeah.
because of the market conditions,
Yeah.
it's not giving what I would like it to give.
Right.
So instead of potentially like taking everything out at 100K, like maybe I shouldn't at 100 points, like I should be looking for less than 100 points.
Right. Right. Right.
And this is where systems and everything is gonna have to come into place. Because like I was telling you earlier, like when previous day low or previous day high hasn't been taken, I realized my higher time frame analysis
Hmm.
doesn't necessarily hit as often uh
Right.
at 9 o'clock as like let's say it would to do during Asian session or London session.
Right.
You
Right.
know,
Right.
it does give me 100 points throughout those sessions, but during New York, like it can go 200 points buying and then drop 500 points.
Right. 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 Right.
It's just too volatile at that point. So I'm
At
like,
that time. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
maybe changing the system where if if I'm dealing with if I'm looking for dealing range to just get taken, I should probably just do a like a 1-to-1 or maybe even just like like a 30 point stop to like a 60 point TP and make it a little bit tighter versus
Yeah.
trying to like extend the trade and like try to pull more out of it. Like if
Or out of the market. Yeah. Yeah. I hear that. I hear that.
that's something that I'm gonna have to be back testing and shit.
Yeah. Definitely collect data on that and see if it makes sense. Yeah. Because with this current market conditions, you just have to take what it gives you, and you can't ask too much of it.
No, like if you get into a trade, just be happy.
Yeah. Yeah. If you get take profit one, yeah, just be happy with that.
Literally. Well, I at least have 9 girls for practice today in my
Okay.
other session. So they're definitely going for an hour and a half. We'll see. We'll see. I get paid this week. So maybe we go with a lucid account.
I also like the one-time payment type shit and the no reset, no activation fee because Top Step really gets you with that shit.
Yeah, Top Step is a bitch.
Hmm.
Yeah, literally, there is no activation fee across the whole board.
Yeah, nothing. One time. And the reset fees aren't, that ridiculous either, really.
Might just have to give them a go. See what's up with them.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one with them and one with Fund the next.
What? How is funded net? Oh, so it's a 90 10. So wait, okay. Do you know that if like how it is with Top Step, like where you can make 10,000, like it'll only let you take out half of the account. So if I made 4,000 and I wanna like if I'm in 4,000 profit, will I only be able to take out 2K, like request 2K?
Yeah.
It's the same with Lucid?
I think is the same here. Yeah. They had a chart I was looking at yesterday. Hold on, let me see if I can pop it up. Uh, payouts. That's not it. Hold on.
Because I seen like here it's a 90-10 profit split. So if I'm requesting let's say a $2,000 payout, then obviously they stay with 200 and I get the 18.
So it says here, 50% of profit is how much your maximum payout that you can take out. Yeah, so it's whatever profit you have. Let's say you have 2K profit, you can only take 1,000 out. And
And
they
then
have
you have to give a 90-10 profit split, so you're only taking out 900.
Yeah, and they have like a max that you can take out per payout. So like for 25K, you can take out max of 1,000. For 50K is 2K. Yeah.
But they're on a daily basis too.
Yeah, well, it says minimum daily profit. You need at least 5 days of 150. So in that part is the same as top step. So 5 days of winning over 150. Take profit one just got hit for me here on this cell. Let's see.
So would that entail like basically Monday through Friday, I would have like every time I go to take out a payout, I have to get 5 days in a row.
No, it doesn't have to be in a row.
Well, no, like 5 day, five consistent, like 5 days of
Right.
profitability.
Yeah, and then you can request a payout. So
So
in that regards, that's the same as top step.
that's every time you want to pay out.
I believe so, yeah.
That's kind of crazy.
Traders must earn at least the minimum required profit on 5 separate days during payout cycle. The minimum profit on trading days reset and must be earned again after every approved payout. Yeah.
We could give it a go.
Yeah. Let's see what it's about.
And then you said funded next, right?
Yeah.
What's funded next about?
On the next, I don't even know how their payouts work, like I don't even know what you need to do to even get a payout with them. Still haven't found that information, but I probably haven't dug deep enough. Let me go into the FAQs.
So all I'm seeing right now is Bolt Challenge, Legacy Challenge, Rapid Challenge, Bolt Challenge. All right.
I would be doing the bowl.
So it says 50K, $100, profit target 3,000, max 2,000, daily loss 1,000, no activation fee, no minimum benchmark days, one-time fee, max positions 9 micros, 3 minis, consistency rule, challenge account only, 40%, reset fee $92. Challenge phase. Choose a challenge account and showcase your skill. Get past your challenge and get a simulated account. Earn your performance record and receive it in 24 hours.
Yeah, but what's the withdrawal eligibility? You're not saying it, bro.
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Germany versus Ghana
Oh yeah, they're playing today?
right now.
Oh, what channel? Where?
I'll tell you.
I need to start watching more ball.
Let's start watching. Yeah, you do actually.
Yeah.
FS1.
FS1? What the fuck is that?
Fox Sports.
Does this TV even have that? Is it free? Is it one of them free channels?
It should be. I don't know who you have as a person thing. You good over there, buddy?
What?
Is it working?
Playing in my second step yet.
Oh. Well, conversate with your father about that one.
And then what are you gonna do? Berate me? That's all he does.
What does that mean?
Bring him down?
Oh,
Pastimes. Because I can't do this.
Stop.
Nelson said chastise. I asked what berate means, and he comes up with another fucking word.
Woo! Simple layman's English, Nelson.
My,
Layman terms.
bro, my boy don't need no chat GBT. He is chat GBT.
He is ChatGPT. Yo. He said chastise. I've never heard a 15-year-old use the fucking chastise. Whoa. I love that though. I love that. Oh no. So it's Fox Sports, right?
Yeah.
Well, turn up. We in there. Yeah, I was gonna ask you where you be watching your games at and how you know what games are on.
Um, I have this app.
Yeah.
It's called let me get you the right name before I start saying FOTMob.
Fort Fort Mob?
FOT.
Oh, okay, Fort Mob.
Yeah.
The language barrier, you know. When it gives you the list of games.
Yeah, it so on FOTMob, I have an account, like I just have like an account with them kind of type of thing,
Yeah,
a profile. And I put what teams like I follow and what players I follow.
yeah,
And it'll show me like I put like international friendlies or like FIFA World Cup stuff and like
yeah.
whatnot. So it'll show me what like it'll tell you everything, like ball possession, facts, commentary, who shot what, who got a yellow card, why'd they get a yellow card.
Oh, it gives you all the stats and stuff.
Yeah, lineups, like how the who match player is, like what's their rating for the game, like it gives you all this stuff. So like I have all my shit, like the teams that I follow on there. And
Yeah,
I get you see how I have like all
yeah,
the
yeah. And that helps you with your bets too, yeah?
yeah, I do. So like tomorrow, England versus Japan, like I'd be betting on that type of stuff. USA versus Portugal, got money on Portugal.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm really watching for the game and for the refs, you know?
yeah, I mean, it's good. Like I always when I watch Champions League, like you guys have like streaming services? Like what streaming services you guys got?
We got Disney, Peacock, whatever that is. Let me see what's on here. Netflix. I don't think we have Prime.
You
I
got
think,
an Amazon account?
yeah.
You have Prime.
Okay, then we have Prime.
I just don't you don't just don't know that you have it.
Yeah, but we don't make any use of it. But yeah.
Yeah, no. I have all of those. I have Paramount Plus.
Huh?
So Peacock, you can watch the Premier League on.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, P Peacock has the Premier League. Sometimes if it's like a blackout, like basically like a TV network has the rights to the game,
Yeah.
then you can't watch it on like Peacock, but you can watch it like if you have like CNBC, or
Oh yeah, one of those, yeah.
yeah, or like USA Net, some shit like that. Like it'll show it on there. Um, Peacock has the Premier League in terms of soccer. It has the Premier League, and I think that's all it has for soccer. Let me see. It has some international friendlies, and it has some MLS games.
Yeah.
Oh, not MLS. UPSL.
UPSL. Well, they put that shit on there?
I think that's what it is. At Fort Lauderdale United plays for the UPSL, no?
Or is it USL?
No, I think it's Gainbridge Super League.
Uh,
Gainbridge, they have the Fort Lauderdale United is on Peacock though.
Peacock?
Yeah. Um, yeah, Brooklyn FC versus they have some like USA. That's on Peacock.
All I know is just check Peacock. Check out Peacock.
But if you have Disney and if you have the whole, I'm pretty sure you guys probably would just have just Disney. I have
No, we
the,
have Hulu. Is they're together, isn't it?
do you have ESPN?
I'm not sure, actually.
So I got the ESPN, Disney, and Hulu package, like all the unlimited,
Yeah.
because like I watch so much.
Yeah.
ESPN does have the English Carabao Cup. You have La Liga. You have like the Spanish League. You have the Bundesliga on ESPN,
Uh,
exclusive to ESPN.
right, 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 right.
Those are well worth my fun.
My preview pass expired. He let me watch like 2 minutes and he said my preview pass is expired. That's so funny.
That's crazy.
That's madness.
Yeah, for soccer, you have La Liga, Bundesliga, you have the NWSL that you can watch on ESPN.
Uh-huh.
You have the Dutch Eredivisie. The USL League is on ESPN Plus. Spanish La Liga 2, German 2 Bundesliga, the USL Championship, USL League 1, Australian A-League Men, English FA Cup, Spanish Copa del Rey, German Cup, Scottish Cup, UEFA Women's Champions League, MLS, and international friendlies.
There's a bunch of shit on there, huh?
Yeah, boy.
Let's see.
And then for Paramount Plus, you have Women's Champions League, the European one. You have the English First League. Is that what it's called?
English First League,
Yeah.
Premier League,
No, that's the Premier League is on Peacock. English First, it's EFL. What's EFL?
EFL. No freaking clue.
I don't know. It's an English league. You have Serie A, Italy. You have regular Men's Champions League. You have Europa League. You have Conference League. You have some MWSL, some Carabao Cup for the EFL. CONCACAF qualifiers, CONCACAF Nations League, CONCACAF Gold Cup. You got it all here, man.
Right, I see.
And I don't think Prime has any soccer though.
No, yeah, I'm on Peacock right now. I see the Premier League.
Yeah. Oh, Peacock Prime has the Germany versus Ghana game.
Prime?
Oh, wait, it's VIX versus it's VIX Premium. I guess it's through another. This one says free trials. This one says watch for free. There's also the if you like cricket,
Uh-huh. Cricket?
yeah, if you like watching cricket, I guess Amazon Prime has it. Prime has it. I don't think Prime has soccer though. It says it has Champions League, NWSL, Premier League, MLS, but the other ones have a better partnership. He's building your thing. No, bro. He just started.
I understand this, but like this just sucks to build. Like,
5. No, because that sometimes that shit takes for like 4 hours. Also, why can't we just go maybe like not right now? Because I just paid my phone bill and I'm not trying to pay another one. Acaba de pagar mi teléfono y no voy a ir y que me... ¿Ah? En 2 semanas. No, I can't eat till 5.
¿Por qué? Pero I got to work on this. Pero ya tenemos una hora de venir de la escuela. No es nada. I was right. I was right.
Why you can't eat till 5?
I'm fasting.
Oh, okay, all right, I hear that.
Yes. Did you not just hear I'm fasting? It's called Ayunando.
Just got -2 here. Take profit 2.
Let's get TP3.
Yeah, let's do it. That's the last one. All right, it's coming for it. It's coming for it.
I'm gonna smack it right now.
Yeah, let's do it. Well, it hit my draw on liquidity, so if it doesn't hit my final take profit, I'll take that and be content. Solid stuff. Ready for a trade performance review?
Wait.
Yeah. All right. So what I did well this PM session is that I showed up, right? Go 1% better, gain experience, learn lessons that I'll take into my next trading day. Waited patiently to see my setup. I saw it, I executed. There we go. Final terminus getting hit. Thank you very much. We appreciate it. Yeah, very happy and pleased with my performance today. Can't complain, can't complain. What about you?
I showed up, got, like you said, 1% better, was able to back test, so now I'm able to trade tomorrow. Yeah, sat on my hands where I needed to and just
Didn't-
in
di-
lessons.
Yeah, didn't see anything for you and you didn't take anything. So you showed discipline, right? In following your model procedures and protocols. Where did you think you fell short today?
I think I fell short in not having back tested before the session.
Right. I hear that. It happens. I mean, I didn't get time to backtest either. So, for me, I think PM session, there's not really anything I can think of that I fell short in terms of chart. Outside the chart, not really. Well, if with wake up time and morning routine was already morning's time falling short, I can't say that again for PM session. Like I said, I waited patiently for my setup. I saw it, didn't hesitate, executed, and yeah, the outcome was out of my hands. It just happened to have done what it was supposed to do, so we'll take it. How I can improve for next day, next trading session is keep showing up, right? Keep seeking excellence in everything that I do. Don't let short-term adversity, losses, series of losses deter me, distract me from what I got going on. Don't let mental fatigue or physical fatigue, all right, affect me, which I haven't, which I'm very happy and pleased with. Also, keep analyzing the data because that's what's really taken my trading to the next level. Just keep analyzing winners and losers all the same alike, right? Yeah, just keep taking small steps in the right direction, really and truly. By you.
Just gonna keep showing up, keep doing what I gotta do every single day. Um, keep keep learning, keep being a student. I feel like for some time it's just markets have been choppy, so the self-belief in the trader has kind of fallen a little bit, but maintaining the level head of understanding the market's gonna do what the market's gonna do, and my job is just to follow my system.
Yeah, 100%, 100%. It's NFP week. All right, we got news tomorrow, DJ. So we'll be here kicking off at 9:15. Until then, solid day from us here. Can't complain. It's been a really good trading day for me. For you too in the morning was pretty decent. You got everything that you needed to get in the morning, so you would have been pretty much done on the day. But other than that, it's been pretty good price action today, but off to a better start than we were last week. So we'll take it. We'll be back kicking off tomorrow morning at 9:15 DJ. Until then, You know what it is, what it is, what it isn't. I'm the trader here, signing out. Good luck, good trading. As always, happy hunting.
Toodles.
Yeah, buddy.